Hi everyone, today I am unboxing the Dermalogica Advent Calendar. So what this is the 12 Days to Glow gift set, and it's $135. It is a $201.50 value. The company sent this to me to share with my audience and show you what's inside. So we're gonna check it out. Let's take off that thing. So inside there's all these different doors for you to open. As with the traditional advent calendar, obviously one day at a time, but we're not here for that. We're here to see what's inside of it. So we are going to get started, and I'm going to unbox number one. So I'm liking this. See, you open it up and it gives you an expert tip on the inside. This first item is the Dermalogica PRECLEANSE. The expert tip is, for best results, massage this into dry skin with dry hands first and then wet your hands. I have tried this before. It is something that I like. It is an oil, but it is not something that ever made me break out, which is impressive because everything makes me break out. Day two is down here. And day two is special cleansing gel. So what the special cleansing gel says for expert tip: follow pre-cleanse with special cleansing gel to experience the Dermalogica double cleanse, which thoroughly removes impurities. Okay, so I like that. I like that they're giving you the first step and then they're giving you the next step on day two. So anytime I can know something in order is a good time for me, because that's less I have to think about, because I don't want to think when it comes to skincare, because I'm pretty lazy and I do it because I need to, because I'm getting older and I break out if I don't, but I don't really want to have to do it. So if I don't have to think, that's better. Oh, and the pre-cleanse was 1 fluid ounce. That's obviously a small size. This is 1.7 fluid ounce for the cleansing gel. Number three is the Daily Microfoliant. This is a really small bottle of it. It is US 0.14 ounces. This is my favorite product from Dermalogica. It's really great for skin like mine that can be very sensitive, that can break out. This is great to get everything out of your pores. The expert tip says, Rice Bran has been Japan's best kept beauty secret for centuries, prized for its ability to soften, nourish, and polish the skin. Love this. The only thing I don't like is that it's such a small bottle, because I will go through that fast. Multi-active toner. Expert tip: spritz this in flight to instantly relieve dry, dehydrated skin. I need to turn my phone off because it's going to drive me insane. I am on so many text threads and people do like, hello, send, happy face, send, how, send, are, send, you, send. And it's like mind blown. The multi-active toner is another product that I have not tried. My skin's not necessarily dry, but it can get there in the winter, so I'll try that. I'll use it. Day five. This is a small bottle of BIOLUMIN-C serum, Age Smart. Expert tip: vitamin C, very important, but sometimes makes me break out, so I'm going to have to read the ingredients on this one. Vitamin C helps enhance and restore the skin's natural defenses against the environment. Apply this morning and night. So me and vitamin C, I know it's good for you, and I don't think it's supposed to make people break out, but every time I use vitamin C in some things, I break out, and I'm not sure if it's interacting with another product or another ingredient. So I'm going to check that out. I have been looking for a vitamin C that doesn't make me break out, because I have the spots and I do want to fade those, and there's just some things that I know vitamin C would help with. Day six. Day six is Stress Positive Eye Lift. This is another small 0.2 US fluid ounce. The expert tip is the thin, delicate skin around the eyes is one of the first to show signs of stress. sad but true, and as you age, it just gets worse. So I like to put as much hydration as possible underneath that. This I will absolutely use. I've never tried it before, but I'm excited to try it now. Day 7 is Skin Smoothing Cream powered by Active Hydra Mesh technology. Expert tip for even more powerful hydration, apply right after the multi-active toner. Again, I love that they're telling you when to apply these things and that they're kind of going in an order. I don't know that I could use this just because I'm very oily and this intense type stuff tends to be too much for me. Day 8, Dynamic Skin Recovery SPF 50. This is also Age Smart. It's a moisturizer. Expert tip, skin aging UV rays can penetrate clouds, so wear this no matter the weather. So winter, yes, you need SPF, period. Whether you use this or you use another SPF, you need it. Day 9, SKINPERFECT Primer SPF 30, also Age Smart. Did I show it? Expert tip, makeup artists love to apply this under foundation to give skin a luminous glow. I don't need to glow. I've had people ask me what I use to make my foundation dewy, and it's literally oil, and I don't want it. I want no parts of oil on my face. I don't want to glow. I glow too much. So that, probably not for me. But for people with dry skin, combo skin, even normal skin, you will like that. Day 10, this is Rapid Reveal Peel from Age Smart. I am so excited to try this. I've been looking for a peel, and I use the Drunk Elephant peel quite a bit, but I'm running low on it, and I feel like sometimes when you use a certain thing way too often, you get used to it, and it doesn't seem to work as much. So I wanted to put something in between and just see if I liked it, and this will be good. Expert tip, your skin collects dulling buildup over time. All you have to do is remove it and reveal radiant new skin underneath. I will do that, thank you. Day 11, Multivitamin Power Recovery Mask. Enhance your glow, apply this on skin that has been freshly exfoliated with daily microfoliant. So we're gonna exfoliate with my fave and then put on this mask. I've never tried this. Again, I will check that out because I love a mask. And finally, day 12. This is Sound Sleep Cocoon Transformative Night Gel Cream. I've never tried that. I've never heard of that. Expert tip, after applying, cup your hands over your nose and take a deep breath for a soothing, sleep-enhancing aromatherapy. I'm going to open that right now. It smells good. It smells like almost like eucalyptus, but no. Persian silk tree extract, wuzu extract. Ooh, I don't know. I don't have the ingredients list here, but it smells so good. It's super strong at first, but it dries down fast. Oh my God, it smells so good. I'm excited for this. This is probably the one I'm most excited for. That is it for the 12 Days to Glow gift set from Dermalogica. It retails for $135. I will do my best to find all the links and things like that. If it doesn't sell out, since it is a holiday gift set, it's very likely to go on sale. But this is a very popular skincare company, and this is a great way to try a lot of their different products. If you have been wanting to try them, you're into trying them, this is an excellent item to put on a wish list as well as to buy for yourself. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.